What's going on, guys? Matt here with Car Tech, and today we're here with a brand new video where we're taking a look at this really budget lens. This is a C-mount lens, but it's honestly really good, and it only comes in about $27. So let's get into it. First off, guys, starting out with the build quality. The build quality is pretty great. There are a lot of plastic components, but it does have a nice weight to it. And the lens caps are really cheap as well. But mainly the focus rings as well as the aperture ring do feel really smooth and don't give me any problems at all. So that is one thing that's really nice about this. It does feel pretty nice in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's gonna break because it does have a nice heft to it that feels pretty good. This lens is actually a 35mm lens with an aperture of f1.7, which is actually really nice to let in a lot of light, and is a pretty good matchup for most mirrorless cameras, which I'm going to be testing this one out with in a little bit. And it does, one of the nice things that does come with this kit, it does come with a bag. It's just a little fake leather bag, as well as it comes with a little lens adapter from C-mount to micro four thirds, which is pretty much required because no one really has C-mount lenses anymore. They're mainly for, I believe, 16mm cameras back in the day. But I do really like how this lens looks. So let's go ahead and test it out a little bit. And let me show you some pictures I took, and I'll go over them. Alright, so those pictures, like these pictures as you see right here, they look really good. There's a lot of bokeh, and the focus ring is really smooth as well. And the lens adapter is really easy to attach. All you do is you just screw it on, and then you just can attach it like a normal micro four thirds lens onto my Panasonic G7. As far as the picture quality, they look great. I did see a little bit of smoothing if I wasn't a little bit of smoothing on the outside corners, but I think that's pretty normal for a very budget lens. But it does give you a really nice accurate look when I was messing around with it, and I didn't have any other issues when I was shooting this little video clip right here. It looked really good. I was just trying to focus on something and get a little bit of sliding movement to see how it looked, and how the focus pull was, and everything worked really well. And overall, guys, this is a really great lens, and I'm very happy I picked this up. They had a bunch of others. I believe they had quite a few other ones. I'm gonna pick some of those up, and I'm gonna do some more reviews like this, and I will recommend those in the description down below. So guys, make sure you check those out. They're all on Amazon. This one was $27. It came with the little lens adapter, which is honestly a great deal. So guys, make sure you pick that up if you guys are looking for some budget lenses that work great with micro four thirds. Also, they have a Sony mount, which you guys can check out in the description down below as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for all the support lately, and I'm really glad I've been able to bring this content to you. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.